Alright, good morning. I hope everybody's Christmas was fun and enjoyable. We had the whole family over there, so you could just imagine. Anyways, today is December 27th, Tuesday. I didn't film yesterday, but the foreman was here working, and our welder, our third-party welder, I still hired someone to do some welding work. Actually, all the prison bars on the windows and railing for the stairs. But anyways, let's go take a look at what's going on behind us. Our welder is busy. I still brought out a new toy, so he can have his own, so we don't mess with the foreman's stuff. We actually had bought a whole bunch of stuff, so the foreman wanted to use his own stuff. So yesterday, the welder was able to get all this put in, but he's got the railing. It's getting it there. We ain't gonna have that gap right there because our kids can fall through that. And he's got all this done yesterday for the railing up here. And these guys are busy with the doors. So the door frames are going in. Foreman actually yesterday put up a couple more doors. When there's no one around, he's able to get a lot of work done when he's doing stuff himself instead of getting pulled away from everything. Got everything mounted up, got the rebars, help hold it in place, welds them, and there's actually rebar running up inside the framing. Helps strengthen things. So, and what else do we got going on? Got another bathroom door frame up. They are filling in around the door frames. So we're going level down here on the bottom, and on the inside there's a little lip. So, because I actually had questioned myself about this, what they were doing, because it looked a little weird because we still have tile and the dry pack to put underneath there. They have to do it that way because the drop down lip on the other side, the door will be really, will have a huge gap, you could say. However they do it. At least that's how it was explained to me. So, guys are working on the roofing. No, sometime this week, the roofing is going to be delivered. Alright, it is afternoon. And we got a delivery today. Our roofing showed up. So these big pieces right here, which is really thick, I think ICEL went with the 0.6 roofing. It's heavy duty. They're just one strips of the whole house. They just gotta put them all together. Wow! I dug this out, and I dug over here. So, foreman is starting to work on the sewage lines for everything. It is looking to me, and the water. We have our PPR and we have our PVC. It's getting it laid out for everything. This will be interesting to see how it all comes together. And they got scaffolding up, putting some fittings on, making things work, connect everything up, plastering, got these all straightened out. We got this wall straightened out with our electrical outlets. We're still waiting right here for the electrician to do some stuff. Put all the boxes in here. Let's go see what's going on upstairs and what the welder's gotten done. Well, the welder is about to work on getting stuff for the gate going on. And here's what he did for railings. Put some square bar in there. And this isn't the shiny stuff, it's just a square bar. It's not where you're gonna polish it and make it beautiful. It will be get coated and painted. Alright, some more plastering and filling in for around the doors, making them look beautiful. And in there. Alright, more door getting put in, plastered and cemented. It's a little bit of both going on. Some new with the old. And we have some new electrical in here. And what you're hearing right now, these guys up here working on the roofing stuff. Alright, some more door frames done. Got them all looking good. Still haven't worked on this one yet. And I started this back side with all of the crazy electrical going on in here. This is gonna be a switch with the outlets. And another door frame going up, getting the hollow blocks in. And you can see there's a little electrical line going there. Got a lot going on today, a lot. Should be real fun for them to get this corner right here. I'm not sure exactly what he's gonna do to get that. And you can see, of course, his little couple inch extension right there. Reach up a little higher. Well, they got this door jamb done. Just a little bit left up on top. Let's see the back side. All right, here is the back side. They put some more electrical in. They've been really busy today. These guys have been getting a lot of little finishing of this upstairs done. So they are gonna have to build that up quite a bit. Electrical for the light switch. Break time anyways. All right, and got this door frame going. Got a lot of stuff going on. And he's going back behind and finishing everything. Making it pretty and squaring it off a little bit. Got an interesting little trowel. Well, not really trowel. Little cool homemade things for doing it. And this inside has been worked too. Lots of little pieces of hollow blocks laying around. So they're sticking them in. Another outlet for switch. And some more edging done. They're pretty much getting every little nook and cranny done. And at the end of sometime this month, they're gonna be done for this part of the build. Have most of the runs up. You just gotta put the cross members up here. And actually they're short, I think 2 pieces. And today, hopefully, we went down and checked the hardware store. They said they'll have it delivered. Today, that is. We'll see how long it takes. I mean, it's almost the end of the day, and we still don't have our materials and our cement. I did get them 5 sacks, and they had 2 left, but there's pretty much nothing left downstairs when we walked by. Actually, there wasn't anything left. Right, and they've gotten on this backside. The front side of that, this is that front left room. It actually looks all good. On the back side, it still needs a lot of work left. The ISL's over there, talking to him about getting some stuff done. All right, our delivery showed up. Yay! So, got I think 100 sacks of cement. We have our double layer insulation. We have the rest of the stuff for the roofing. We got some square bar there. Even a couple pieces of 1/2 inch PVC. All kinds of goodies here. So the roofing can get done, hopefully, this week. It's looking like it's getting there. All right, everybody, that is about it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's gonna be a little short because it's only for one day. Anyways, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And thank you for watching. And as always, goodbye.